Hey, what's up guys? Good to see you here on the Mr. Dig channel. I did a YouTube short on this old dozer the other day asking y'all to help name her. We've got some pretty good names so far, but still nothing I'm settled on. So y'all leave in the comment below what you think this old Komatsu D45 ought to be named, and maybe we'll get us a sticker, put it up on the side there, and go ahead and christen her. But I'm down here in a little parcel of woods next to my house. Been clearing it a little bit over there with the Cat Mini X. But I'd like to see if this old dozer will fire up, come through here, just see if we can't get it a little bit more polished up and cleaned up. I asked Dad the other day what year model he thought this thing was, and he said 70 something. I probably would be in agreement with that, but this old girl has pushed a many loads of dirt in her day. Got a giant winch on the back of this thing. I remember when Dad was building the pond, we had to pull a couple excavators out with that winch. That thing does not know its own strength. Matter of fact, they had to cable the blade to some trees just to keep from dragging the machine backwards. So she is strong. Got a few leaks as to be expected with this older machine, but other than that, if we can get her fired up, I think she'll go right to work. I checked all the fluids up here. We got to climb up and check the fuel real quick, but somebody lost my daggum dipstick. So somewhere I had to go get one of nature's dipsticks. Let's check the fuel in it. I think we got enough to play around for a little bit at least. Let's see. Oh yeah, plenty. We got about a foot. That should be plenty enough to do what we want to do. I don't see any cans of ether. Now this old girl is an ether addict. I remember this is one of the dozers, or this is the dozer that I learned how to run way back when. But I remember, man, she can't get enough of that starting fluid, and sometimes, I don't know how it happens, but a machine can become dependent on ether. But let me go grab some earplugs. She's pretty much checked out. Let's see if the old girl fire up and go to work for us. Instead of a battery switch, we have got us a starter short wire. Let's see where my positive is. There it is right there. Yep, that's clicks a good sound. Solenoid's engaged. Let's see what she'll do. All right, old girl, be good to me. Ain't got you no ether, but it's nice and warm outside. Let's see what she'll do. I don't know if she's gonna do it with no ether, y'all. Nope, she is an official etherholic. We're gonna have to find us a can somewhere. Found her stash. I forgot we had those little cubby holes over here. Can find one that's got some juice to it. I don't know about that. Ain't too good of a stream, but we'll try it. Come on, girl. Let's see if any of these other cans are all out. Golly, what an addict you are, girl. Gotta give her a little bit more. Go ahead and throw a little fuel to her. Come on, baby. Let me put you guys over here. See if I can give her a little squirt while I'm starting it. Uh-oh. Not good, guys. think we're gonna have us a new can of ether and probably hook the jumper cables up to her. So let's go grab us another bottle and we'll pull the truck over here and see if we can't get her fixed. All right, we are back in action. Got us a fresh can of Go Juice for the old crackhead here. Now we can get the jumper cables hooked up, see what she'll do. Get her some extra volts hooked up, and I don't see that fresh can of ether why we'd have any trouble getting the girl to start. Let's see. I'm gonna dig my earplugs out for good luck, because if she does start up, this old girl is throaty and she is some kind of loud. Give her a little throttle. Get the crack juice ready. Go ahead and hit her a little bit. Oh yeah, come on there. There we go. That's all she needed right there, just a little ether fix. Purred like a kitten. Alright, let me get my truck put out of the way, the jumper cable's put up, get the old girl to work. How did I not just hit my mirror on that tree? I do not know, but I didn't, so be thankful of that and let it ride. Love the smell of unfiltered exhaust. I also love the simplicity. Hopefully the machine's not too loud, y'all can still hear me. Simplicity of these old machines. Reverse, forward, left, right, throttle. Let's see what we got. thing we want to do is let a limb punch a hole in the radiator though, so kind of come into these limbs a little bit slow. Big old pine tree right here pointed in the direction I want it. We're going to do a burn pile right over there in that opening. Trying to get it pointed that way so I can push it on up in there and get it out of my way. So we can take some more of this underbrush and bring it over to the burn pile too. pedal. This is on the left. I keep forgetting the dirt gas pedal's on the left. Brakes on the right. It's totally opposite from a regular dozer. Or newer dozer, I should say. She's doing good so far, y'all. Sorry girl, I didn't mean to cut you all the way off. Just like that. Sorry baby. Went a little too hard on my throttle there. I hate shutting the diesel down to a cold stop like that, but I just accidentally went a little bit too far, and I think she was tired and she was ready to go to sleep anyway. But man, we got a bunch done in just a short amount of time. The old girl still got it, y'all. Man, I'm proud of her. She did good. Got us a little oil leak I see yonder. That ain't good. really need to take this thing and take it and steam clean it, get her washed up. Do a lot of work. Them belts are dry rotted, the hoses on this thing are dry rotted, but I'm impressed she ran that long without giving us any issue. They sure don't make them like they used to, but man, I should have wore a dust mask. We ain't had rain and I don't know how long, and it is dry as all get out. Believe it or not, that machine was the first machine in the landfill, and I used to wear goggles and a mask, and I was pushing trash with that thing in the very beginning. It's funny looking back. Wasn't funny during the time because man, it was hot, and I'd get off and all you could see was my eyes and my teeth. Face would just be black. But I should have wore a dust mask today because I breathed in a ton of dust. But check it out, y'all. We got a lot done down here. Man, that looks good. I was trying just to scalp this area, keep from taking too much dirt on down to the burn pile. So here, after we get some rain, we're gonna come down here, bring an excavator, go through it a little bit, get the dirt out, separate the piles out, and have us a bonfire. It's a beautiful area down here. I've been wanting to clean this place up forever. It's just been so growed up. You couldn't see any of this down through here. You do see some trash. My grandfather, and I guess prior generations, were already in the landfill business because they buried all kind of shit down here. There's bottles kicking up, hoods off of automobiles, some kind of big old tank we pushed up. You can still kind of see littered across yonder some of the old bottles and trash. We got that load of compost pushed down through there. What I'll have to do up in the between the trees where I couldn't get with the bulldozer, we'll bring the Mini X in there with the bucket and just kind of sweep it, clean it up a little bit. But look at all this crap. All kind of junk down through here. But looks a whole lot more better. I want to get up in here too, clean this up, leave some of the pretty deciduous trees you can see there turning yellow. We're about November the 8th or something like that, I think, right now. So the leaves are just beautiful. The pond is that direction yonder through the woods a little bit. But real pretty area. Let's see if we can't continue getting it cleaned up. See what comes of it. Well, y'all, I appreciate you hanging out with me as always on the old D45 there. Hit that like and subscribe down there for me. And then also throw out an idea for a name for the old Komatsu there. We'll pick one here soon and go with it. And whatever y'all put down there and I like, we'll get us a sticker order, and that's who she's gonna be from now on. Other than that, y'all have a great one. See ya.